Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a simple, dark, and light-themed toggle button using just a few lines of JavaScript. No frameworks, no complicated stuff, just clean, easy code. It works on any web page, and you'll get it done in just a minute. Let's jump right into it. So since it's a short code, I'll use a single HTML file, add just some basic CSS. Now, the main JavaScript code of the toggle thing. Now let's check our output. It works. That's it. See you in the next one.